Good evening, everybody. Welcome. It's Boom City Breaks, and it is Monday, April the 16th. Tonight we are breaking Boombox Head Knockers. This here is a two-box break in which we did pick your team sales for. As you can see on the left there, we've already, we didn't randomize them. Most of it filled during the day on Facebook. Last few slots filled the last hour or so here. Here we go. My dice, just gonna use one. It don't really matter the number. It's just a marker box. Got a 6. It's not going anywhere. I just need a little bit of room. I just cut this shit out of my thumb. Same thing. What you get not paying attention. That's a beauty. I think I've ever pulled one of them before. Hopefully I won't bleed all over it. Boom, buddies. Here you go. One of the last teams that was sitting there for a long time, guys. That is going to be the Blaze. Looks like Ray Ray to me. That's a beautiful color on that thing. Boom, baby. Yes, sirree. That is Ray Ray Lewis. It's done in the gold. The damn light, man, does not like it. The SIG shows a lot better than that light letting it tube, guys. It's got the Super Bowl inscription there also, but like I said, this light just fucking does not like those bright colors. Beautiful, man. That is I don't think I've ever pulled a Ravens Blaze, guys. That's really a beautiful helmet. Big old SIG. I mean, it's longer than my hand with the inscription included. Who's gonna hit that team? Well, it's Mossberg. Well, it said he could. Well, he finally listened to me, I guess. I kept saying they shouldn't be sitting there. I didn't think so because we hadn't pulled one in a while that I could remember. I mean, maybe we have, but I couldn't remember one. All right, now I'm going to be generous with my offer on that one, Mossberg. I'm going to give you $47.98. All right, where most people would only give you about $46 for that on eBay. So, as you guys would tell me. $67. Wow, you're going way above what eBay is. Boom. Well, we got a Jacksonville. Wow, that's another team that sat there a long time, guys. Well, it ain't going to be the Fournette. It's going to be a Bortles, folks. That's going to be a Bortles. But he's their quarterback, man, and if they have a good season, he very well could be a Super Bowl quarterback this year, folks. Very well could be a Super Bowl quarterback. Tommy, well, at least Tommy's a Jacksonville fan, so hopefully he appreciates that. Hopefully he'll keep it, unless he's already got one. But it's a beautiful helmet, and I know Tommy is a Jacksonville fan. So that's going to wrap up that one, y'all. Have a good one.